Hi, my name is Dawn Spence, and I'm the teaching manager at SPED Homeschool. And today I have the privilege of reviewing an awesome product. It's called Bjorem Speech Sounds. This was the little box. I actually purchased this before and then was asked to do the review, and I was like, oh, yes, I will, because in this small little box, you think, wow, that's so small. What could possibly be in here? The possibilities are amazing. I first learned of this from my daughter's speech therapist who came to the house, and she's like, I've got this new product to show you. I think it's going to be amazing, and it's going to help your daughter with all of her reading. And I was like, really? I wasn't so sure. So she brought out the cards and she showed me how to use them. And it has really increased my daughter's her sounds and her speech, plus it is helping her to read. So this little box comes with a great tool. The first thing you're going to notice when you open it up is it has all the cards. It has, well, on this side it has how to use it, and on this side it even tells you which card, and they're color coded. So they're based on the one that I got, which is the Speech Sound Cues. It is based on vowels, early developing sounds, and late developing sounds. And I like the way that she has that laid out because it helps you know what area that your child might need to be working in. So the fun thing about these cards is the pictures are not like pre-K-ish, so you can use it for other kids. So like this is the letter A for the short A, and it's ah, like a monster's coming to get you. And then here's the E, like E, like what did you say? So you can tell that these cards are not babyish. So if you have some kids that are still learning and they need a little extra support and they're not, pre-K, kinder, I feel like you could use these like, sticking on a piece of gum is eh for short I. So one of the ways that if you look on the back of the cards, they are color coded. They give you the little clue as to what to say. So if you're not sure, you can go back to here. So when my daughter's learning how to read, and let's look at the word cat. So you would have your ah sound. And then on here, if you want to look for the different letters that you're wanting to have, like I want to pull out the T, and I want to pull out the C. And I want to point that out to you. So C is going to be 27, which is actually the K because they both go together. Bjorem, she is an apraxia specialist. And so she developed this for kids who need really that picture and who need that motor planning to figure out what sounds are. And for my visual learner daughter, this is amazing. So, and then we want to do the T. So that is number 19. So while I'm pulling this out, she also has a great YouTube page where you can go and look at do tricks, and she shows you how kids are doing it and learning it. So if you don't feel like you're a teacher at heart, there are ways for you to be able to do that. So I'm going to pull these down and show you. So I guess it would be backwards into the camera, but so if you're going to do cat, so this is the coughing sound, and then ah, and then the tick-tock for the t. And what was amazing is when my daughter's speech therapists came and she put this out, she wrote the letter C-A-T, and she was like, oh, cat. And it was like, it just opened up a world. But my daughter's a very visual learner. She has undiagnosed dyslexia, and that's one of the problems that this helps with. On here, it says this helps with motor planning, with apraxia, for early acquisition of speech sound disorders, phonological awareness, or literacy in emerging readers, vowel differences, and dyslexia. So like I'm saying, this seems like such a little box, but you're unpacking a lot into it. The other thing is she's got different cards for different things. She's got sounds like the TH sound or any of the vowel sounds or cluster sounds that you want to do. Also, my daughter's speech therapist let me borrow this one. This is Prepositional Concept. So again, fun pictures. So the skunk is in the middle of her sink, which is fun. You have the back, and you can do a lot of language behind that. The moose is behind the goat. And you could do, you know, have your child do some sentences with that. They could do creative writing with these. So just a lot of different things that you can do. The possibilities are endless. I would fully tell anybody that has a child who is a visual learner who is struggling with reading, pull out these cards, push them, you know, have your kid look at it and maybe the words bag, and then put the letters out and see how they do. It has been amazing for my daughter. So Bjorem, I give you a thumbs up for lots of things, very hands-on, speaking to all different kinds of levels of kids, not just the younger ones, flexibility of your product, and the ease of being able to go online and learn further how to use your product. So this is Bjorem. Again, this is their speech sound cues that I was showing you today. Check them out. They've got a great website and a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. Again, this is Dawn Spence, and just enjoy your day and go and look at Bjorem. Thanks. Bye-bye.